because more clarity on what's happening with the pre-call Minda Corp deal. They're saying that they were made aware of this deal only late last night, and they definitely do not want to sell any stake. That's the moot point. All right, let's see where this goes. For now, pre-call is up almost about 3% odd. The market has opened in the red, down almost 100 points for the Nifty. The Sensex is down about 380 odd points, and the Bank Nifty is under pressure as well, down almost about half odd percent. The stock that's taking a bit of a knock this morning is Nestle India. It's down almost about 2 odd percent. A lot of brokerage views and commentary coming in post the conference call, so we'll keep that as one of the stocks that we're looking at. Tech Mahindra is also under pressure, down about 1.2%. Not a good opening for the market at all. In fact, the Bank Nifty is now inching towards a 200-point fall. Apart from Nestle and Tech Mahindra, all the IT stocks are actually under pressure. HCL Tech is down 1%. Wipro, TCS are in the red as well. Something like Divi's Lab, IndusInd Bank, Dr. Reddy's, Eicher Motors are also under a bit of pressure right now, while Hero MotoCorp is your top Nifty loser, down about 2 odd percent. On the upside, though, stocks like Ultratech Cement, Tata Steel, Bharti Airtel and BPCL are holding up with gains of anywhere between half to about 1 odd percent. So weak opening for the market. Let's just take a look at how pre-call is performing right now. Remember, the stock, of course, is in the green, up almost about 2 odd percent, but 5% now on pre-call. The promoters saying that they are not going to sell. Definitely, they're completely committed to this business and they are growing it. They don't see any synergies with Minda Corp, so they are sort of, making that categoric that they are not going to sell. The promoters are not going to sell any stake. The stock is up. Let's check out what Minda Corp is doing. That one, both those stocks are up almost about 5 odd percent. So very interesting developments over there. But otherwise, for the market, under a bit of pressure, down almost 70 odd points. Weak start.
Well, that's right. Weak start, Sonia, to the trading session. But a couple of stocks are actually doing well. Oil India continues its up move. For this week itself, the stock is up 18%. It's up close around 1.5% odd. NMDC as well has opened up the green with a gain of close around 1.2% odd. And a couple of the South-based cement companies, well, they're doing well. India Cements is high with a gain of close around 1%. It's been a big underperformer, but that's bounced back. And Ramco as well is a little bit higher. There is a buzz that there is a price increase that's being pushed through in South India, but demand, I understand, is rather weak. So let's see whether or not that's absorbed. For the time being, there's an attempt being made out there. We have a couple of other stocks that are losing out. First Source is down close to 3%. Laurus Labs is down 2.5%. And Biocon as well is down close to around 2% odd. On the index, well, we went to sub 17,950 and now we're holding above that. Holding on to that 17,950 will be most crucial. The Nifty Bank, though, is taking a harder knock today, down close to 200 points. Prashant.
No, absolutely, and so it's a it's a start which is tentative, but it's not as bad as what the SGX was indicative of.